Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Ron's Keto Cafe and low carb recipes with Ron. Today on Ron's Keto, we're going to make fluffy, delicious cottage cheese, coconut flour pancakes. Boy, that's a mouthful, huh? So this is a pretty simple recipe, and I'll have the directions over the timeline. For this, you'll need a fourth of a cup of coconut flour, a fourth of a cup of full-fat cottage cheese, 3 large eggs at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of sugar-free maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of Redman's real salt. And once we got everything all mixed up in the food processor or a mini Ninja blender, we'll pour it into a measuring cup, but make it easier to pour so I don't make a mess all over the place, and get the pancake grill heating to 350, and we'll start putting the pancakes on top of the grill. So let's just go right into the recipe, and again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And from this point on, I'm just going to have music, and if there's something interesting I need to talk about over the video, we'll go ahead and talk about it. But over here in the video that you're seeing in the camera, that was the result of the pancake I ended up getting. But let's just go right into the video. From this point on, there'll just be music playing. Okay, so we're kind of back a little bit. So I noticed in the video that you're watching that it looked like there was like 4 eggs. One of the eggs actually had 3 to it. It was a double yolk is what it was. And over here I was just trying to adjust the camera angle on the video, and you can see how easy they poured over the top of the grill. And I didn't have the kind of maple syrup that you normally would have, which would be choc zero. I kind of ran out of it, so I obviously bought what I had on hand. So when you start cooking your pancakes on the grill, when you start seeing those bubbles form, that's when it's time to flip. And just be patient with them. And you may have to readjust your temperature on your grill from time to time, because it does cool down after a while. And after about 2 or 3 minutes, or maybe half a minute or so, the pancakes will be ready. And then we'll just continue to process it to all the batter that we use up. And I was using a fourth of a cup of a small little plastic measuring cup that I had gotten because I wanted to get a good pancake for the video thumbnail. But they all came up good, even the one on the far up top in the grill. I still ended up eating these. And then I had some fresh blueberries and raspberries that I bought in a small pack in the market basket. And I put those over the top with a little bit of butter and that, because I gotta have butter on pancakes. And I was just kind of like pushing it down, and that was the pancakes that the first 3 that I ended up getting. And it was just showing you an example here in the video what they look like, and that's the second batch. But for the sake of the video, for the thumbnail, the first 3, that's what I ended up using for the thumbnail. But anyways, hope you really enjoyed the video. They don't take hardly any time at all. And, just don't be a great experiment. Cottage cheese has got a lot of protein in it, and I'll be making some more of these from time to time, now that we're back on track. And I feel pretty good, and I'm going to continue with the walking adventure. It's getting late in the fall, so we'll figure out what we want to make for fall meals. And anyways, have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.